4th of February on a Thursday, and the time is 3:15 p.m. in Singapore. So my name is Dylan, and welcome to my daily trading analysis video. Today we're gonna touch on a few currency pairs as usual. Except for the dollar against Japanese yen, I'll be touching on the rest. Anyway, let's kick off with the Aussie against US dollar. Alright, we have seen that the Aussie against US dollar has appreciated pretty much a lot yesterday. Honestly, for what reason, I'm still trying to figure it out, but that doesn't matter. Anyway, let's come to the chart. On the day one chart itself, for the Aussie against the US dollar, I have recently identified that is actually a very there is a falling trend channel that's almost coming to a horizontal line. But anyway, that is how much that the Aussie may be able to appreciate during this point of this period of time, as the Reserve Bank of Australia is still not considering any forms of rate cuts or expand its monetary policies stimulus. So we are still going to expect the Aussie against US dollar to appreciate further. Okay, but anyway, let's zoom in into the 4-hourly chart. Alright, so right here you can see that I've plotted a Fibonacci retracement from the top to the bottom right here, and there is also a rising trend channel as we can see right here. So price is currently seen moving sideways at the retracement level of 61.8%, somewhere at the top of the rising trend channel as well. So we might be able to expect that the price will come down significantly as a major retracement before it appreciates further towards the top of the channel in based on the day one chart. So right here we can look for the sell opportunity, and zooming in the smaller time frame in the 15-minute chart, you can see that there's consolidation right here. So if you were to look for the sell right here, just take note that if the price were to close beyond the price of 0.7183, it would be advisable to cut some of the loss, to wait to see if the price will come back again, or if not, you may just want to exit. That is if you are going to go for the sell for this trade. And expected the price to fall all the way first level somewhere back to the previous high right here at 0.7130, and of course the best price that we are looking for is as it goes all the way back to the bottom of the rising trend channel that is seen in the 1-hourly chart or based on the 4-hourly chart. Alright, so next let's take a look at New Zealand dollar against the US dollar. Similarly, we have a rising trend channel in the 4-hourly chart, and as we have seen that the price has been resisted at the top of the channel, and of course at the same time at the retracement level of 61.8% based on the Fibonacci retracement level, and that is also somewhere at one of the previous support level, as you can see right here. So hopefully to see that the price will make major retracement and begins to fall. Right now we are seeing that price is making consolidation, so you may want to go for the sell opportunity again if you're looking for the best price, maybe somewhere at the price of 0.66, 71 or 72, or you may just want to go for the sell right away and set the stop loss from the resistance level at 0.6688 plus about 30 to 40 pips. That would be safe enough, and hopefully for the price to go all the way back to the bottom before it resumes its appreciation. So that is actually pretty much for the New Zealand dollar against the US dollar. And looking at the chart itself, we do expect that the price will continue to appreciate further from here before we start to see a major reversal for the price to go even lower than the previous low right here. Alright, so there is still a possibility price may go all the way back to the key resistance level previously at 0.6872. So that's for New Zealand dollar against US dollar. 4 more currency pairs to go. Let's kick off with the euro against the US dollar in the day one chart. Well, as predicted, I've been talking about this for probably past 2 or 3 weeks, that we are in the day one chart, we are expected the price to appreciate further as part of a major retracement to the key supports right here, turn resistance level at the price of 1.1111. Alright, and that is also at the retracement level of 50%, 1.1115. Before we see that the price will resume its major depreciation. So that has finally happened, and we have seen that the price is currently resisted at that level. So expecting the price to start to move into another consolidation or retracement, so that will give us an opportunity to go for the sell in this case. But however, in the 4-hourly chart, right here, we have seen that the price has broke above the channel. Alright, that suggests that the price will appreciate further, and there was also another rising trend channel that's forming right here, and the price broke above it again. So that really suggests that the price will still be able to appreciate a lot further as part of a major retracement that's based on the day one charts, probably all the way back to the retracement level of 61.8% at the price of 1.1256. So back to the 4-hourly chart. Rather, we would like to look for the buy opportunity. Let's plot the Fibonacci retracement based on the 1-hourly chart. We can wait for the price to retrace back to the retracement level at 30.2%, price of 1.1017 to go for the buy, or slightly lower at the 50% retracement level, whereby we have more previous resistance level to buy instead. Alright, so just take note of these two levels, and that's for the euro against US dollar. Next we have the euro against the Japanese yen. Based on the day one chart, as we can see, there is a falling trend channel with Fibonacci retracement. We have seen that the price has been resisted at the retracement level of 38.2%, price of 131.84, and price has begun to fall. So we are going to expect that the price may continue to fall a little bit further. And right now, into the 1-hourly charts, we have seen the price retrace back to the previous support level right here, and got resisted, and it begins to fall, but still considered moving in a consolidation, still moving sideways. So we may want to wait for the price to retrace a little bit further again, or maybe based on the trend line. Alright, to look for the sell opportunity. Alright, this will be better. So maybe back to the retracement level at 61.8%. Well, based on the 15-minute chart, to go for the sell for the euro against the Japanese yen. But however, please set who recommended the stop loss to be set above the top of the falling trend channel that's based on the day one chart and the 4-hourly chart. So that's for the euro against Japanese yen. 2 more to go. Pound against US dollar. Before going over here, let's take a look at the week 1 chart. I do believe I have mentioned this. There was a very huge falling trend channel here. Alright, although we have seen that it's a very huge breakout right here, but this channel seems to be still working, as we have seen that the price has been supported at the bottom of it. Alright, with a reversal signal, and right now a very strong bullish candle followed by after the reversal candle. So it does signal that the price may continue to appreciate as part of a huge major retracement. So back to the 4-hourly charts, we have seen that the price is forming, or rather in the 1-hourly chart, there is a rising trend channel, but however, price continues to break even higher. It broke above the top of the channel, suggesting that the price will appreciate further. So all we want to do right here is to look for an opportunity to go for the buy again, as we ride on the trend. So the best price that we can look for is when it retraces back to the top of the top of the rising trend channel that has been broken previously, or at least till it reaches the retracement level of 30.2%, price of 1.4457 to go for the buy. Alright, so that's really straightforward for the pound against US dollar, and we will talk about it again for how much that it will appreciate towards. Alright, we shall talk about it next day. Let's take a look at the pound against the Japanese yen. Alright, so in the day one chart, we previously has been expecting the price to retrace all the way back to the retracement level at 30.2%. Oops. Alright, as that was a previous key support level, we are expecting the price to make retracement. Oh, sorry, that was actually slightly much higher than the retracement level of 30.2%. But anyway, price has already broke above it, and price may that suggests that the price will appreciate further. And into the 4-hourly chart, or rather based on the 1-hourly chart, we are seeing that the price is appreciating within a rising trend channel, and the price is now seen at the bottom of the channel itself. That gives us a opportunity to maybe go for the buy. Alright, so if you were to go for the buy at this price, just make sure that you set your stop loss way below the bottom of the rising trend channel for this pair, I would suggest it to be at least 50 pips away from the bottom of the channel itself. Alright, but of course the profit that we're expecting is, you know, back to the previous high. That will be about 270 pips, so definitely that's worth it. Alright, so with that, I've come to the end of today's trading analysis video. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you again tomorrow.